Hey, it's Dr. Mo here at Chiropractic Care Center in Fairfax. We have Steph. Steph has low back problems, pain. I guess I was kind of going down the leg a little bit, down to her foot. And she's a teacher, so she stands all day. So we're doing a decompression machine, and then afterwards, we just finished it. So decompression basically opens up the joints. There's pressure on the lower back. It opens it up, closes it, makes vacuum phenomena inside the disc, and it opens up the disc for her. So that's the first thing we're doing. We're doing about 20 sessions with that. We're going to go ahead and bring her down, and then we're going to go ahead and adjust her. And how long have you been a patient of mine?
4 years?
4 years, okay.
5, something like that.
And when did you moved from Florida here, right?
Yes.
Yeah. All right, you ready? All right, come on over. So you're going to go face down. Let me check the lower back first.
Your wife?
No, you're perfect. Deep breath for me. Oh. Perfect. This side up for me.
Okay.
And you've been under chiropractic care for a long time, right?
Since 1999.
Yeah, so a long time. Deep breath. All the way out. Beautiful. I don't do that to you, Miss Bartman. Face this way for me. I'm nicer to you. Deep breath for me. Oh my, look how much that's opened up.
I know. That
Beautiful.
felt good.
Yeah, let's go face up for me.
Okay.
Oh, this is the first time Miss Bartman's watching.
I know.
Relax. Beautiful. All right, let's go face down. Let me check that lower back.
Okay.
Beautiful. That move, that's probably one of the bestest moves. I'm gonna put Sombra on there, and then you're done.
Okay.
Oh. All right. So if you're out there and you're watching this on Facebook, you come in here and get checked. All right. Take care.